The New Orleans City Council is moving forward with its plan to crack down on gun owners who don't secure their firearms.
If a child or teenager gets a gun and hurts someone, the gun owner could go to jail. WGNO's Jordan Lippincott is at NOPD headquarters. Jordan.
Susie, Kurt, the New Orleans City Council passed an ordinance just a few hours ago that would allow the city to tighten its rules around gun ownership as it relates to juveniles. It's a response to juveniles wounding or killing themselves or others. New Orleans City Councilman Oliver Thomas says in the last 2 years, 19 children between the ages of 2 and 16 have died by gunfire in the city. And so far this year, the trend seems to be continuing.
Including the two recent shootings where teenagers who were even friends amongst each other got access to a gun that was not protected, it was not in a lockbox, it was not in a safe place, and two friends were involved in the killing.
Which is why the New Orleans City Council agreed to amend the city's gun ownership ordinance. The new ordinance will allow NOPD to arrest any adult who's responsible for the careless storage of a firearm that leads to a juvenile's injury or death. The gun owner could spend up to 6 months in jail or pay a $500 fine in less severe cases.
The most responsible thing that a gun owner can do, that an adult can do, is make sure they protect their gun and keep it away from their children.
The amended ordinance would make the city of New Orleans the most restrictive city in the state as it relates to gun ownership. Louisiana doesn't currently have a law that imposes a penalty on someone who fails to secure a gun, making it accessible to a child. Thomas says he's aware the ordinance may hit a legal roadblock.
Well, I mean, you know, everything is up for challenge when you talk about policy and the law and amending law. But until that happens, at least now we're going to have a discussion about responsibility if you're a gun owner.
So the ordinance is off to the mayor's desk for her signature, and we'll be following this to see if there's any pushback. Kurt, Susie?
All right. Thanks, Jordan.